Okay, so this is another power supply which I plugged in directly into the wall right there. The other one is the power strip, which is right here where the monitor is plugged into, so the PSU is plugged into the wall. And now when I turn it on, there is no noise coming from this PSU. I hope you can hear it. The only noise should be coming from the CPU fan. And now I'm gonna switch out the power supply to the EVGA one and show you the noise. So now I switched out the power supply to the GQ 650. I put it on focus on echo mode on. It's still plugged into the wall outlet right there. And the screen is still running off the power strip, so I'm gonna turn it on. Come on. I didn't turn the power supply on. And you should now hear the loud noise coming from the power supply.